Working at the book center is a godsend, you know? I mean, there were like a few awkward encounters when staff didn't realize that I wasn't Jewish when I first came, but it's just such a safe environment in that way. And, you know, Erin and Amy and like have been really supportive of me. And I think that having like Erin's support and validation really helped me to be comfortable with it. I've been studying Jewish literature, you know, Jewish studies now for like 5 years, and just sort of time passing and realizing that, yes, this is something I still really care about, and you know, talking to certain professors who say, like, actually you're really important to the field, like, you know, ethnic studies that's, you know, only taught by people of that ethnicity it's like a weird thing, you know? So I felt a little validated by that kind of talk too. But it's always a struggle. I mean, you know, I love giving tours here. It's one of my favorite parts of the job. I love like educating people about what I care about, but there's, you know, every time I prepare to do a tour, I have to like brace myself. And I'm like, okay, which version of the question are they going to ask me, and which version of the answer am I going to give them? Like, you know, I've had anything from like very, you know, just like straight up curiosity to like quite antagonistic, like, what do you, like, with that name, like, how would you become the Yiddish expert? Or like, what are you doing here? Or, you know, I mean, really, like, whoa, types of things. And then, yeah, but now, I don't know, it's just what I do. It's so integrated into my life and the way I think about things that, for me, it makes sense. I think for other people, it doesn't.